Hello everybody, how you doing? So in this video, we're going to learn about how do I remove a property from a JavaScript object. So for that, first of all, we have to create an object. My object prop1. Let me just copy this. 2, 3. Alright, so I have created my object. So now we will learn how to remove the property from an object. Okay, so I'm gonna write my object. Okay, and then I'm gonna go for the prop2 and I'm gonna write the delete here. This is a one way of deleting the property from your object. So I have to do the console log now, check whether it is deleting or not my object. Alright, let me just copy this and paste this here. Okay, let me just run this now. Okay, as you can see here, in our first object we have the 5 different properties, and in our second object we have the 4 properties because we have deleted the property number 2, prop2. Okay, this is the one way of deleting the property, and we have another way, which is you can delete the property. You're gonna write the name of the property here. So I want to delete the prop number 4. Alright, let me just clear this and run it again. Now you can see that we have deleted the prop4 using this way. Alright, okay, so this is how you can remove a property from a JavaScript object, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.